Your first offer isn't just a starting point, it's a psychological magnet that dictates the entire outcome of your negotiation. Today, we're unpacking the anchoring bias, a cognitive trap that forces your brain to prioritize the very first number it hears. Understanding this mechanism is the difference between leaving money on the table and securing a massive win. Anchoring occurs because our brains are naturally lazy when processing complex information. When you hear a number, an initial asking price, that figure creates a mental anchor that pulls all subsequent logic toward it. Even if the number is arbitrary, your brain uses it as a benchmark for what's fair. For instance, if a car seller suggests $30,000, your counter offer will likely cluster around $27,000, even if the car is only worth $20,000. Surprisingly, this works even when the anchor is completely irrelevant to the deal. Researchers once showed that people who rolled a higher number on a pair of dice estimated a higher number of African nations in the UN. This proves our brains are constantly searching for any external reference point to simplify decisions. The anchor warps your perception of value before you've even processed the facts. But what if you aren't the one making the first offer? We'll look at the specific counter. Tactics elite negotiators use to cut the anchor loose. You can neutralize an anchor by aggressively pivoting the conversation to objective data, market rates, or expert appraisals. By intentionally ignoring the first number and resetting the discussion, you regain control of the narrative. The payoff is simple. Never let the other side define the boundaries of the deal. Master the anchor, and you master the negotiation. If you found this insight valuable, hit the button and subscribe for more strategies to sharpen your decision-making skills. Drop a comment below with a time you suspect you were anchored.